I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly why and when the ban happened so your appeal is factual. Once done, gather supporting evidence, screenshots of messages, timestamps, and the account name. Make sure to note device and app version in case support asks. This reduces back and forth and speeds resolution. Acting immediately improves your odds because logs are fresh. Don't guess or assume. Document what you actually see so your next message is precise and credible. Next, prepare a clear appeal that explains what happened and why you believe the ban should be reviewed. Be concise and respectful. Long rants reduce credibility. Attach your documented evidence and state the resolution you want, lifting the ban or a review. Explain any mitigating context without admitting to intentional violations. Once ready, submit via the official support channel or in-app appeal form and save the confirmation number. Polite, factual communication. Finally, allow the platform's stated response time, then follow up if there's no reply. Always remain polite. If support asks for verification steps, comply promptly and provide requested info. Make sure to read and follow the community rules moving forward so any reinstatement sticks. If resolution fails, consider official dispute channels rather than bypassing restrictions. Troubleshooting tip: if you don't get a response, escalate through the app's formal support portal or provide the case number when contacting customer service to avoid repeated resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.